Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Ruparel Arista by Ruparel Realty located in Mulund, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where the construction has already started. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing sites where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.25 acres that will have one tower of ground plus one commercial plus 18 residential floors having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residences. And now let's talk about the location and connectivity. This project is located near to Ganesh Kavde Road, Mirani Nagar, Mulund West, Mumbai, from where Mulund railway station is at distance of 600 meters, Fortis Hospital is at distance of 2 kilometers, D-Mart is also at a distance of 2 kilometers from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has gym, pergola sitting, lawn area, seating area and many more amenities within the project. And now speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2 BHK and 3 BHK residences, with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 785 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1032 square feet. And now let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Ruparel Arista by Ruparel Realty located in Mulund, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.